The red bed. Jen.
What?
The red bed.
I don't know.
The red bed.
What about it?
The red bed.
The bread's in the bed?
Buried on the bed. Bed like bed like bread. Bed like bread.
Your bed's like bread?
No, the bed. No,
Birds
the
like
bed.
bread?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm gonna feed it to them.
You're gonna feed the birds some bread outside?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it to them.
Oh, you're gonna throw some bread to the birds?
Yeah, I won't get some more away.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one, and a big one. They have a bed. I have some.
I don't have any bread for the birds.
That one. See it? See it on the counter?
But Wanda just made that to eat, not to give to the birds.
It's eaten now. I eat it now. I eat it now.
You can't eat the bread now.
Why?
Well, you just had a snack.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't. I popped it on my new snacks in the cupboard.
You want your fruit snacks in the cupboard?
Yeah.
We'll have to have it later.
On my other new snacks.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna find it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find it. I do like that.
Okay.